Hi, I'm Indrin Baling Anakpiang. I'm the lecturer for DTM 10313. Today we're going to create an AI PDP video. So today I'm going to teach you all how to create a video, an AI video, step by step. So first thing first, we need to have our storyboard. So basically we started here using ChatGPT. Hi ChatGPT. So first of all, we need to assign the role of ChatGPT as assistant lecturer or maybe assistant producer for your film or short movie. Short video. So basically, ChatGPT will propose you with a few things that you need to consider in the video. Okay, other than ChatGPT, you also can use a DeepSeek. So this is an examples that already been drafted by me. Okay, so basically, I just give any things or the informations that we need in the video. So basically, DeepSeek or ChatGPT will think of it. Okay, so basically, if you are using a character in the video, you also can generate the prompt in order to generate your characters. For me here, I have two characters in the video, which is Alex, the guy, okay, and then another character will be Lina. Both of them will be my avatar, okay, that I use in the video, especially in Heijen later on. Going back to our process one, so after we generate a storyboard, here's my full storyboard that already been generated. I will put this into Words, Microsoft Words, okay. Then I will give more info, especially the topics that we need in the video, and then the scene needed. So there will be a 4 scene, okay, that we need in the video. So opening scene, and then we have economic impact scene, then we have a socio-cultural scene, and also environment, and then last but not least the conclusion or maybe the outro. So I usually do it this way. Okay, so basically folder number 0 is the storyboard, the document, the important document, the script, maybe the narration will be put into this. Okay, I will show you the complete one right after this. So, alright, after editing and going through a few adjustments, here's my final folder in my AI video production. Okay, so this is going to help me to manage my photos, videos, the narration, the song, the sound, everything here. So basically we have the storyboard, we have the planning. So basically this is my planning. Okay, so now we are in the process and apps just like DeepSeek and also ChatGPT in order for us to generate the image prompt. So we are using image prompt in order to generate a great photo. So basically I'm using ImageFX to generate the photo. So let's try one example here. Okay. Sometimes the photo might be not as realistic as you want and might not be the same just like what you have imagined, so you can do the adjustment at here. So I will show you how to generate the video later on using high-low. So maybe you need a few more photo in order to show a full body. Then later on we're going to do the face swap in order to make the characters to maintain the characters that we need in the scene. Okay, something like this. Okay, if you see, this image is totally different, but we can download it first, then later on we do the adjustment. So in order to make the image similar, I use this swap AI face. I'm using AI face swap. No need to sign up, no need to log in. You just use, if the photo we have a multiple face, then you can use this one. For single one, you can use this one. Okay, so the image of the face image will be transmitted into this original image later on. So in order to make our storyboard clear, I use Microsoft Word. Okay, everything that we generated using ChatGPT, DeepSeek or Gemini, I tabulate it here. And other than that, I'm also using Canva. You don't have to worry about missing your documents whatsoever. So just click create here, then you're using a storyboard. Storyboard limited. Okay, normally I use unlimited. So basically this is my complete storyboard. Okay, I've prepared it. So this is the workflow or the apps that I use here. I use Image Flux as well. So Image Flux, something like this. So if let's say you want a photo of Kuala Lumpur, for example. Okay, so I use general landscape, then let the words count. Since this photo is owned by other people, so it's important for you to generate your own prompt. Okay, so basically this is the prompt. So we're going to generate a realistic photo that almost similar to the pictures that we generate using image flux. Okay, in order to get almost similar photo of Kuala Lumpur. Here's the image that we already generate. So basically this is an AI video. You see how good was AI? Okay, okay, this is the photo that we generated. Okay, we have a lot of photo here. Okay, then later on we generate using uh, Hailuo apps in order for us to create an image to video, right? So here's the example. So you can tell the camera what do you want, or maybe you can use this as your guideline. So some I use this one, some I use the prompt, okay, to show that what do you want to be happens in this photo before it become a video. So basically I just use this one. Okay, I just generate. Okay, so this is the examples of the image to video that already been generated. Okay, so I just download it, and then also the similar, I just put it into a folder here. Okay, so this is are the example of the photo to video using Hilo AI that already been created. See, okay, then we go to Suno AI. Hmm. So we just copy, and using the Suno, then you click create here. First, you need to log in, and you use if you have the lyrics, then you can use custom. And then if you don't have the lyrics, so you just put here the prompt that you already get from. So you need to write every. Okay, I just put few of the element only. So so the music should have modern jazz groove feel. So I just click here instrumental. Okay. Sometimes the prompt is too long. It cannot be copy and paste here. So you need to type one by one. So I just create. So it would help to create a song for you. Instrumental music basically. So I will show you later on. First thing first, we need to create an audio file first using 11 labs. So in order to use this 11 labs, you need to have the script. Okay, so basically we already have the script. Okay, so for example, for this one, scene 2. Okay, so let the 11 labs think. Okay, so I'm using a column based on this. So for this, I'm using Liam voice. Okay, after that we download it. Okay, then don't forget to put into the folders that we use. Yeah. Okay, so basically this is for the scene 2. Okay, we also use a agent in order for us to create a face video based on the audio that we created. Okay, using avatar. Okay, so I will show you first thing first. You need to create the avatar first. You need to have Alex, and then we have the second characters Audrey. Then you can put as many as the photo that must be similar. Okay, to the main characters. This is the main characters basically. Okay, so basically we have two avatar here. Then we create the project. Okay, create a new video landscape. Okay, this is the background. Okay, this is the background that we already upload. So just click here and then you just put here at the same time. Uh, so the audio, we just upload the audio, positive impact of the tourism on environment. So then we include in the characters. Since the voice are male, so of course we're going to use this male. Then click generate to get the video. After generate, then we have this video. Okay, I will show you how to master since I already installed the CapCut apps. Okay, in the at my laptop, so I'm using my laptop. Okay, to continue the video, we are using CapCut in order for us to edit and also to mastering the video. Okay, so basically you just import all the things that you already have here. Okay, you just import based on the folders that you have created. Okay, so you just put it into this. Okay, I will show you the video after I complete to import all the things that we need for our video. Okay, here's are all the videos, the sound, the logo that we need in the video for mastering. So first thing first, we drag it to here. Okay, then maybe you can include the logo as well. Okay, if the logo is too big, then maybe you can make it smaller like this. Then you can put the animation, pull in, or maybe something like this. Then below here is the arrow in order for you to indicate the animation should be length. Okay, something like this. Then we can put more logo to this. Just like this. Then the introduction part. Okay, the introduction. So basically start using the intro. Then we put a few script here within the text and so forth. Okay, I will show you after I finish put in all the videos and the elements that needed. Okay. Okay, after put in all the script, editing part, transition. Okay, every video must have transition. Then this is the final product of my video. So you can watch here. Okay, so this is the last part. So for the video full version, you can watch it on YouTube. Okay, so basically it is done by me, myself, Adrian, and assist by Afifa, Greg, or the apps that I use here. So for the prompting, characters, and storyboard, I use ChatGPT, DeepSeek. Some I use DeepSeek, some I use Gemini in order for me to design. And then I use Canva here for me to do the storyboard to control the element so that we don't miss the important part. And then editing, I use Image FX to generate the photo just like what I've shown just now. Then download all the pictures. Sometimes in order to get the pictures, in order for us to create a prompt, I use Image Flux as well. So see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.